a new role for the obsolete self-propelled anti-aircraft gun ZSU-57-2 in the service of the Ukrainian Army has been recognized. Although difficult to fulfill its original role, the ZSU-57-2 proved useful when performing fire support missions. On the battlefield of Ukraine, there have been images showing how to put the 57S-60 anti-aircraft gun on the truck to turn it into a self-propelled artillery system. This weapon is not used for air defense as it was originally designed, but instead serves as fire support for infantry. The 57mm cannon has a long range, fast firing speed, and is quite powerful. When taking advantage of such a weapon, it is not surprising if the Ukrainian armed forces continue to mobilize a more powerful combat vehicle, which is the self-propelled anti-aircraft gun ZSU-57-2. Its appearance on the direction of Donbass has been noted. ZSU-57-2 is a self-propelled anti-aircraft artillery system designed by the Soviet Union since 1947. Research was completed in 1954, and this weapon was mass-produced in the period 1957 to 1960, with a total of more than 2,000 units were produced. The basic configuration of the ZSU-57-2 consists of twin 57mm S-68 autocannon in a new, large, rotating, open-top turret. The ZSU-57-2 consists of 3 compartments: drivers in the front, fighting in the middle, and engine transmission at the rear. The chassis of this weapon system is a simplified version of the T-54 main battle tank. The hull is more spacious in comparison with the T-54 because of the thinner armor and has different locations for some equipment. The guns firing together are capable of firing up to 210 to 240 fragmentation and armor-piercing tracer shells per minute, with a practical rate of fire of between 100 and 140 rounds per minute, which gives a fire time of 2 to 3 minutes before running out of ammo. Muzzle velocity is 1,000 meters per second. Maximum horizontal range is 12 km, with an effective range against ground targets of up to 4 km. Maximum vertical range is 8.8 km, with a maximum effective vertical range of 4.5 km. The S-68 autocannon was the most powerful anti-aircraft gun installed on a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun at that time. A direct hit of a single 57mm shell could destroy a contemporary jet aircraft. Until now, although not an effective anti-aircraft weapon, it is clear that the ZSU-57-2 can still be useful in a new role as a fire support vehicle for infantry, especially when Ukraine there is a shortage of heavy motor vehicles. The firing rate and accuracy of the ZSU-57-2 anti-aircraft artillery complex is difficult to beat today's armed helicopters or jet fighters, but its power is still very significant. More specifically, the ZSU-57-2's turret is light, has a fairly fast rotation speed, and a large angle of elevation is suitable for bombarding high-altitude targets that are difficult or impossible for tanks to reach. The large magazine helps it create an overwhelming density of fire, protecting the armor formation in urban warfare. In addition, it also proved to be a powerful weapon when lowering the barrier to suppress. However, the real effectiveness of the self-propelled anti-aircraft gun ZSU-57-2 in the new role against a powerful armed force like the Russian Army is in doubt. Many Ukrainian military experts fear that this vehicle will be destroyed very quickly.